Rashmi Group, a premium and fast-growing Indian conglomerate with an annual turnover of $350 billion United States dollars, introduces Koove IoT Private Limited, India's first integrated manufacturers of disposable nitrile powder-free gloves, aligned with the Make in India initiative of the Government of India. Koove IoT Private Limited proudly houses a state-of-the-art manufacturing hub situated in Kharagpur, West Bengal. Equipped to meet both domestic and global market demands, Koove IoT Private Limited has entered into the disposable nitrile gloves market with the brand name First Glove, India's first indigenously manufactured disposable nitrile powder-free gloves, made from premium quality nitrile butadiene rubber, NBR. First Glove offers a multitude of advantages not commonly found in the available or regular nitrile gloves. The unwavering commitment to rigorous manufacturing and quality control protocols has garnered prestigious certifications from leading global certifying authorities like Food and Drug Administration, FDA, the American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, HACCP, European Standards EN 455 and EN 374, BSCIC, NABCB, and many more. Stay tuned to know more about India's first integrated, disposable nitrile powder-free gloves. Contact us today.